Guys, welcome back to another tutorial. This remains Hilary, and on this channel we'll be able to create a blog using the Blogger platform. If you're not aware, this is the Blogspot Blogger platform by Google. We'll be able to create a post. We'll be able to add the post to the Google Search Console. As you can see, if we search for Lesurance on Google, we're going to see some pretty wonderful results. Lesurance. Just search for Lesurance on Google. We're going to see, okay, insurance.com is for sale. If we scroll a little bit lower, this is our blog that we have created, and it's on the Google Search Console right now. So, as you can see, it's actually wonderful what we've done on this channel. In case you're not aware, you can go back to our previous videos and get yourself equipped to start your journey in blogging for free using the Blogspot Blogger platform. Everything you see was created for free and on this channel. As you can see, we even added some snippet code, and I showed you how to do this in the previous video. So far so good. Our blog is moving forward, and I want to also say that in this video we're going to be doing something quite important. I think we're going to be doing some keyword planning. Now, what is keyword planning? Keyword planning and management and research is a major part of search engine optimization that deals mostly with on-page optimization, where you know the user intent and what the user is searching for and the exact terms they're searching for, and implement it in your articles or your content so that you can attract more traffic to your post. In this video, we're going to be using a free keyword research tool by Google, and there are others. There are magnanimous and very complex keyword research tools like Ahrefs, which is actually paid. Some of them have some freemium or trial plans which you can test out, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Keyword Research Planner. The Google Keyword Research Planner is actually created for advertisers on the Google platform that wants to know the search results and search terms and search traffic of particular keywords that relates to their business. But this insight can help us to create a wonderful plan for our keywords and get those people to our blog that will later view the advertisers ads on our blog, and we make money from Google AdSense or any other ad network. So what you want to do is to head to Google and search for Google Keyword Planner, and then you will land on a page that looks just like this. And when you're here, you just want to click on Visit Keyword Planner, and then you need to sign in with your account. And once you're signed in, you will need to set up your account, which is quite easy, just like setting up every other account on the internet. And you'll be asked to your payment currency and your location, which is not quite important. As I said earlier, it's meant for advertisers, so you're not going to be paying anything. When you sign in, you move to a page that looks like this, and as you can see on this page, I can go to campaigns. There are other things, goals for advertising. So this is basically for advertisers, not for keyword planning or keyword research. But we'll be using the keyword planner to get some insight on the search traffic of particular keywords that we will be using in our blog. So our blog is about leisure insurance or Lesurance, but we want to start by knowing the search volume and traffic. So I clicked on search volume and traffic, and I'll input the keyword that we'll be using, Lesurance. Okay, Lesurance, and I'll click on get started. So it's going to show me some insight on the traffic. Okay, as you can see here, average monthly search is not even applicable. Is 0. 3 months change 0. Everything competition 0. There's no competition for this keyword at all. So, okay, maybe it's because the country is set to Nigeria. Let's include some locations. Let's include the United States. we include the United Kingdom, because these are the countries that we'll be targeting, top tier one countries that have high cost per click and impression and all that. And I'll click on save. And there's still no search traffic on the word insurance. So I'm going to click on this plus icon here and search for another word. Let's break it down. Leisure insurance. Maybe that's what people will be searching for. So I'm going to click on save. Select and select an add group one, and I'll click on save. Okay, so let's see. As you can see, people are searching for leisure insurance, 100 to 1,000 average monthly searches on our target audience. And as you can see here, competition is quite low. The competition is low. I think I should be using desktop for this because there's more here. There's more. I can't see them, but I feel like there's more options. So this here is the average number of times people search this keyword or similar in a month's range. So as you can see, we have gotten some insight on the number of times someone searched that particular keyword in a month. So the competition is really low. It has low competition and is good, but the search traffic is not really high. But the competition is low, which is a good thing. So if you embed these keywords in your post, you're going to be getting somewhere around 100 to 1,000 page views a month, which is not bad for starters, but in the big game, it's actually not so good. Okay, so at least we've gotten some insight on what to expect. I'm going to add some other keywords like let's search for the broader version, insurance generally. Let's search for insurance. Insurance gets 100,000 to 1 million monthly searches, and the competition is medium, which is cool because if you think of it, 1 million monthly searches with medium competition is actually good from an SEO point of view. Let's search for something else. Pleasure insurance. These are words that are related to what our blog is all about. Let's see. Pleasure insurance. Pleasure insurance gets 10 to 100 and is low competition. So what do we do with these things? What are we trying to do here? We're trying to know the search volume, or if people are really interested in these particular topics. Let's put family insurance. So these are the keywords that you will need to embed in your posts. Family insurance gets 100k, 10k to 100k, and the competition is low, and it dropped 90% in the last 3 months, the searches. So I think family insurance is cool because 10k to 100k and low competition is really cool. So I'll head over to for the purpose of this video, I'll just head over to ChatGPT, but it's usually preferable to edit the content in ChatGPT before posting. But in this video, I might not be able to do that. So I'll just head over to ChatGPT and then give it some prompts on what to do. So I'll just add here. I'll just create a new one, and I'll search for. I'll tell you to create an article. I'll just give it a quick prompt here. Write an article of 500 words with, okay, let's keep it this way, focusing on the keyword, on these keywords. I'll put family insurance, which has about 10K to 100K monthly search volume. So we are trying to struggle and know how much of that 10K to 100K we can take into our blog. Family insurance, I'll add leisure insurance. The keyword is really the search volume is low, but the competition is low too, so you can manage that. And pleasure insurance. Let's see. Insurance. You can do more and add more and know the search volume and know the ones you add to your prompts and your page generally. So I'll just wait for it to generate something for me. Okay, so I've told you to focus more on these keywords because if these keywords are embedded in our post, the Google search robot is going to discover them in our content and prioritize our posts on the Google Search Console whenever anyone searches for this content. Note that to have a .com domain or premium domain is usually important and helps with search engine optimization because from experience, if a blog has .blogspot.com domain, which we do have now, and another one has .com, the .com is usually more prioritized on the search ranking than the other one. So I'll just copy it real quick. It has given me a very wonderful article on this. As you can see, pleasure insurance is here. Insurance, there's so much insurance in this post. Life insurance is here. There are other insurances that can be disability insurance, health insurance, so many of them. So this makes this content quite dense in the field of insurance, which in turn helps rank our posts. So I'm just going to create an article on this, and I'm going to publish it on the Google on the blog. So I'll just edit it and do what I do. So that is about all for this video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content, and I'll just publish this post. And I think I should have added a video or something. Let's add a video from YouTube real quick. A video from YouTube. I'll just search for insurance, and yeah, let's use this one, and I'll publish it. So that's all, guys. Hopefully our post ranks on the Google Search Console. One thing you can also do is to copy the link to your post, head over to the Google Search Console. You can access it from the Blogger platform. Head over to the Google Search Console. Google Search Console here. Head over to the Google Search Console and one indexed page and 3 non-indexed pages. I'll explain more on this Google Search Console later, but you want to add this particular post to the list for Google to index, and you request indexing. So URL is not on Google and you have to request indexing. So when you request indexing, it adds your URL, the code, the link of your post to a list that Google crawlers will crawl into later, and if they deem it fit to join the Google algorithm, then they add it on the list of possible pages that will appear whenever there's a prompt for that particular keyword or that particular search term or a related search term. So that's it, guys. That's about all for this video. I won't like to take much of your time. It's already almost 15 minutes in the video. So our page has been submitted for indexing. That's all, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.